I've changed out the swing arm from a Buell XB, putting a Buell XB rim on front and back.
So this swing arm is from another year of a Buell?
Yes.
Okay. And tell us what you did here.
What I did here is
cut a hole.
Cut a hole in the existing tank that comes on the Buell XB.
Uh-huh.
This is where I'm going to hide all the electronics, battery, relays,
wow.
fuse box.
It's all going to tuck inside that cavity.
Yes.
Nice.
Already tested. Everything fits.
Tiny little battery, lithium.
Yep.
Right.
Lithium-ion battery.
A lot of punch power on those.
Yep.
You can do the fuse box in there,
yep.
and all the plugs. And
yeah, all the plugs. Everything fits. Yeah.
Yeah, you did a test to see if everything's fit. Yeah.
Yeah, I put everything in there. Everything fits. It's a little snug, but it fits.
Wow.
Cut a hole in the top of the swing arm where a pigtail's going to run into.
Yeah. And these positioning here are somewhat the beginning location.
Yeah, not sure quite yet. This is where the coil's going to go. It's either going to go up or down, but
yeah,
definitely the rectifier's going to go there. So
okay,
be mounting that there. Forks are the standard forks. They're the stock forks, but I'm going to put a 17-inch rim on it.
Yeah. So your whole idea was to cut down the electrical, and show us your switches that you got.
What I'm going is I'm going with 3-button switch.
Okay.
And factory ones, a lot less bulky, a lot cleaner look.
Right.
And then also on the handlebars, I'm going to go with an internal throttle.
Oh yeah.
And an internal clutch.
So you're going to do fly-by-wire on the throttle to the right, and you're going to be doing... Are you doing cable on this side?
No, I'm doing cable.
Oh, you're doing cable on both. Okay, so you're going to run the cable on the pull on the clutch on this side by throttle action.
Yes.
Wow.
People say it can't be done. I'm going to give it a shot.
That's right.
It might be a little too hard to pull, but I have a little plan on the grip. I'm going to put a little palm rest on it.
Palm leaf.
Yes.
I would grab my chair because I'm like, holy cow. So you called me in to do what?
Well, I called you in. Electrical is not my strong suit, and with the switches going from the factory to the 3-button switch, I wasn't sure how to wire up the switches properly, and I needed to find out if I can or be shown how to wire this into the existing factory pigtail.
Okay.
So
why don't you show them what we did here on the color code matching?
Well, what you did is you went through and you figured out what wires went to what and what they do, and then you color coded it with the wires that are on the existing.
2 whites, 2 greens, 2 reds.
2 reds, yes,
and
match them up.
2 whites, 2 grays, 2 blacks. Yeah.
Yeah. So now I know what to hook to what to make sure everything was working properly.
That's the start button. That's the start signal.
Start signal.
That's the run kill.
Right.
And that's the this will be your signal, I guess. Yeah, your right blinker.
Right blinker.
And then this one down here is your left blinker.
Toggle.
Your horn.
Momentary horn.
Momentary.
And then another toggle.
Yeah. So let's explain how that high-low is going to work.
The high-low on the left-hand switch for the headlight, I have a black wire on the other existing 3-button. I don't know where we put that. Right here.
Okay.
So
2 whites, 2 blacks, and 2 grays.
Yes.
So the headlight is a black, right? So we got 2 blacks.
Right.
Right
and
there.
And then I wired it a little bit different. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to snip it here, and I'm going to run 1 yellow wire to the black, a blue wire to the black, and then I'm going to jump the blue wire over to the yellow wire.
For a constant. And that's because you got these headlamps. Why don't we show them your new square headlamps? You got all these nifty little creative tools that you put together here. Well, you bought a new set of, these are the really bright LEDs that you see on trucks and stuff.
Yes.
Yeah, super bright. You got 2 of them.
Yep.
So
one high and 1 low.
Yeah. And this kit comes with
pigtail.
The pigtail that does a direct plug-in to the OEM. So there's not much work there.
No.
And I guess just one of those is going to be constantly on, and your high beam is going to be
on the switch.
On the switch for your second lamp.
Yes.
So 1 lamp is low, 2 lamps is high.
Right.
Got it.
Perfect.
Awesome. Yeah, we just had to get through the spaghetti monster tree of, seeing what goes to what. I came in to assist with the schematic, getting that lined up, but we got Adam here has a really interesting. Do you have the picture of that phone?
Yes.
Yeah, because I just want to. I mean, this is just a tapered down, bare bone nothing. I mean, this is literally gonna be the highest point on the bike right there. After he puts the tank on, we got to show them that.
This is the inspiration.
That's the inspiration. Same bike, same swing arm.
Yep.
Did he upgrade a different year on this?
Yeah, same swing arm. He got it off another a Buell.
And this
Buell
is
XB.
And that's a V-Rod front.
That's a V-Rod front tire
And
with a custom Springer front end he had made.
Yeah. Now show us the tank. How you're going to be doing that with the tank? Because this is a really crafty.
Well, I bought a tank. I like the cafe racer style look of the tank, so
Yeah.
I got a tank online.
Uh huh.
And what I had to do is I had to modify it a little bit.
It's got a CB tank, or is
Yes.
it? Yeah.
And because the Buell has a motor mount that sticks out, the tank wouldn't fit on all the way. So
Oh, that's
I
why
had
you
to
did the
channel that
cut.
out. Yeah.
Right.
So
Look at that. You got really nice curvature. The bike in the pick was all squared off, but this was really nice.
Have a nice. Once it's all done, it's gonna sit something like this.
It really brings the shapely curvature that the tank has to the squared off,
And I'm
Buell
gonna
look.
put a bobber style seat on it in
Yeah.
a cafe racer style. So I'm just gonna have a single bobber style shape.
Yeah, single rider.
Seat hanging right over the swing arm.
That's a pretty mean swing arm.
Yeah.
Yeah. that
Factory
motor.
swing arm is pretty wimpy, and I
Yeah.
didn't like the look of it.
Yeah.
It's pretty small.
Yeah. Right.
I wanted something beefier looking.
Yeah, that's kind of like like 19s, like nothing fancy.
It reminded me of a dirt bike swing arm.
Yeah, here you're not going to get any flexion on that
No.
Delta box type of a looking. That's a massive brace frame. And you say,
Yeah.
what about the cavity? I'll say this used to be
Originally, that's the oil tank for the Buell XB9 and
Yeah.
XB12.
That's why it has a cavity.
Yes.
Right.
So there's the factory dipstick right here.
I'm gonna keep that in there. That's cool. Oh, right on.
So I'm just using it because the oil tank for the Buell Blast is in the neck,
Yeah.
in the frame.
Oh.
So I didn't need that. So I'm going to use that to hide the battery and all the electronics.
Wow. So you're gonna, and then on the exterior of these wires, you're gonna use copper. You said.
Yes, I got a copper mesh. After I wrap it, I'm going to run a copper mesh on it.
Uh huh.
And then I'm going to use copper L brackets to mount it to the frame.
Yeah.
So you'll
okay.
see it. It'll be exposed, but
Yeah.
it'll be wrapped in a copper mesh.
Yeah, it's a nice accent.
Yeah.
Well, great work. Definitely want to do a follow up to see it when it's done. You got to keep me in the loop.
Okay. I
All
will.
right.
I don't
Okay.
know how long it'll take me, but I will.
How'd you like the service?
Excellent. I really
Excellent.
appreciate your time and your effort and patience, and I learned a lot today.
Yeah, it's always good. Knowledge is free.
If I run into any more problems, I will definitely give you a call.
Right on. Okay, we'll stay in touch.
All right. Thank
All
you.
right.